Nurse Hilton, I'm concerned about Mr. Rio's condition. His blood pressure is elevated, and he's experiencing chest pain.
Yes, Dr. Mihira. I've noticed those changes as well. He seems to be in discomfort.
We need to adjust his medication regimen to manage his blood pressure effectively. Let's increase the dosage of his antihypertensive medication and add a beta blocker to help control his heart rate.
Should we consider any additional medications, such as a diuretic?
That's a good idea. A diuretic can help reduce fluid retention and lower blood pressure. We'll monitor his kidney function closely to avoid any adverse effects.
How often should we monitor his vital signs, Dr. Mihira?
We should monitor his blood pressure and heart rate every hour. We'll also need to assess his urine output and electrolyte levels.
I'll inform the nursing staff about the changes in Mr. Rio's medication regimen and monitoring plan. Mihira, I can hear that you're feeling quite unwell after eating out, and I'm sorry you're going through this. It's important to take some gentle but careful steps right now to help your body recover and to prevent this from happening again. First, please focus on safety and rest. Good hand hygiene is your best defense to stop any germs from spreading. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, especially after using the bathroom. The most crucial thing to monitor is dehydration, as your body is losing a lot of fluids. Sip small amounts of water or an oral rehydration solution frequently. Pay close attention to your symptoms. If you notice anything that feels more serious, like a high fever or severe abdominal pain, blood in your stool, or signs of dehydration such as dizziness or very dark urine, please seek medical attention promptly. Don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional if you're worried. Looking ahead, when you feel ready to eat out again, there are ways to do so more safely. I encourage you to choose establishments with good food hygiene ratings, which are often displayed. Trust your senses, look for clean environments and properly cooked, hot food. It's wise to be cautious with higher-risk foods like undercooked meats, raw seafood, unpasteurized dairy, and buffet items that may have been sitting out. Ultimately, prioritize places known for their fresh ingredients and good handling practices. Your health and comfort are paramount, and taking these mindful precautions can help you enjoy meals out with greater confidence and peace of mind.